prepare Isla's lunch. And then I need to prepare myself as well, and Arlo and Indy. Kasi merong doctor's appointment si Indy today. And I will drop Arlo off sa bahay ng nana nila para hindi ko siya isama sa doctor. Let's do this. Ang haba din ng ano na yun ha? School holiday na yun. But feeling ko hindi man lang tayo nakapagpahinga ng ayos. Pasokan na agad. But it's all good.
Sometimes I look up in the night sky. Do we look at the same star? 'Cause I might be so wrong and I'm feeling so high. I don't even know why I want to try. Maybe because I'll let it die.
Si Arlo din. Handaan ko din ng snacks.
Remember me if you feel like no one can see.
Ngayon, kailangan kong gisingin si Ayla maya-maya lang kasi wala si Daddy ang aga-aga umalis. Umalis siya, hindi pa tumunog yung alarm ko. So wala pang 7, umalis na siya. Pero babalik yun mamaya. Siya maghatid kay Ayla.
Who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me, you can remember me. I sit and wait for you till I cry. Oh, wonder if we can do it right. 'Cause I might do you wrong when I hold you that tight. Would you wanna drop my hand as I lie? I'm not scared of your goodbye, but I'll roll the dice. Remember me if you feel like no one can see.
And my bracelet is lost.
Huh?
And my bracelet is lost. I only have these ones.
Why?
And my ring.
In your ring too? You had all of that last night. So maybe it's just in your room. What do you want, yogurt or Yakult for lunch?
Yakult.
Alright, it's currently 7:59. So 8 na guys. Ready ko na lahat ng bag. So Isla's is ready. Okay na yan. Ito kay Indy. Lagay ko na lang yung milk niya. And then ito yung kay Arlo. Lagay natin mga pagkain niya. Kasya. So iwan ko lang ito kay Papi. And then ito dalhin ko. And then dalhin to ni Ayla. Yes?
Anna for Indy will do this.
It's okay. It's okay. Mommy's here. Hello. Stretch. 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 There you go. Hello, beautiful. Hey. Smells good. Smells good. Smells good. Hey, smells good lang lang. Stretch. We're ready. We're ready. Hello, lovely, beautiful girl.
They like this T-Rex.
Yeah,
They like this T-Rex.
I love that T-Rex. It's a really good T-Rex, that one.
Look, it's what you want.
Yeah. Oh, I need your dummy. I need your dummy, beautiful. I need your dum-dum.
It's tired.
Isla's in school. Isla's in school. You were sleeping. She went to school.
I'm gonna hug here.
Oh, you didn't hug her? Aww. It's okay. When she comes home, she will hug you, okay?
Okay.
Aww. mag-ate before she goes to school?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Alright, mommy, go to the toilet.
Mommy. Yes, mommy.
Alright, put your Crocs on. Here. Put your shoes on. Alright, let's go, guys. Hey. Heavy. Come on. Do you want to sit in the middle or on your seat on the side? On the side. You can sit in the middle. That's Indy's. I'll get Indy now. Girl. Hey, baby. Indy, we're going. Here you go, girl. We're moving. Arlo, I will drop you off to Papi, okay? Alright. Let's go to Papi. He's still in his pajamas.
That's alright.
You wouldn't change it. I'll leave you this.
Yep.
That was so easy. Arlo just went in. Navigate to...
Getting directions to...
So mabilis lang to, guys. It's only a 4-minute drive from their house. It's currently 9:51. Appointment ko is 10 past 10. So we are early as usual. Arlo was really good. Nakapajamas lang siya. Ayaw niya magpalit. Sabi niya, no, I wanna show Papi and Nana my dinosaur. So si Papi lang yung nandun. Because si Sharon may... Ano bang meron siya ngayon? Halos kasi... Every morning may ganap yan siya. Parang today, aerobics ata. So nag-ano yan siya, nag-golf. Tapos aerobics. Tapos si Pete din, golf din siya. Buti na lang wala siyang ganap this morning. Kasi na-drop ko si Arlo. Mamaya, darating na yun si Sharon. Mamayang alas 10. So Indy will have another injection today. And then we will ask the doctor about her vomiting. To be honest, hindi naman siya concerning sa akin yung vomiting niya. Yeah, she vomits, but she's really happy. Ang kakaiba lang kay Indy is, kahit na tinry ko na sa kanya yung Novalac Reflux, which is a reflux formula, hindi pa din, guys, nagva-vomit pa din siya. So what I did is binalik ko siya sa original formula niya, yung Aptamil Gold, kasi nga wala ako nakikitang pagbabago dun sa reflux formula. And yung reflux formula kasi, yung ginagawa niya is nagtitikin siya sa belly para hindi madaling malabas ng bata. And because it's a thicker formula, medyo nahihirapan siyang magpoo. Nakakapoo pa din siya, but her poo is mas thick dahil hindi ko nakita yung difference with her vomiting sa reflux formula. Tapos thick pa yung poo niya, nahihirapan pa siya magpoo. Binalik ko na lang siya sa Aptamil Gold kasi same lang din naman yung effect sa kanya, nagva-vomit pa din siya. At least with Aptamil Gold, hindi siya nahihirapan magpoo. She's an overall happy baby. So it doesn't really concern me much because reflux and vomiting is quite normal sa mga bata. So kahit na ano, breast milk, kasi nung breast milk pa yung tinitake niya, nagva-vomit pa din siya. Tapos Novalac Reflux, nagva-vomit siya. Aptamil Gold, nagva-vomit siya. So we'll ask the doctor about it and see kung meron siyang marirecommend na ibang gatas. Doesn't really bother me the vomiting because again, she's happy. Wait, Danny boy. Hello, my love. Hello, babe.
Hello. What I was going to say was, when you have a chance, if you have a chance, and if you don't have a chance, that's fine. But just,
What do you want me to do?
you know, are you home at the moment? You're out, aren't you? You're out.
Yeah, I'm out.
You're at the doctor. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, don't worry about it. That's all good. All good.
I'll call
Sorry
you
about
when I get home. I just got here at the doctor's office.
it. Okay, that's fine. All good. All good. Alright, cheers. Alright, see you later. Bye.
See ya, bye. Ang gulo-gulo ng isip ni Daddy kasi kakatawag niya lang sa akin kanina. Tapos tumawag siya ngayon kasi meron siyang gusto akong gawin sa computer niya. Eh, nasa labas na ako.
Who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. Remember me. You can
Are you ready?
I'll give you the sheet about starting solids.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
So,
Because she vomits a lot, like a lot.
Yeah.
After feeding, she just
is
pretty
she
much
happily choke?
very happy.
Okay, so look, if you're happy with it, that's no problem.
Yeah, so
Okay.
what I did when I noticed that she was vomiting a lot, I switched to Novalac Reflux because
yeah,
that's
yeah.
what I use with my two.
Yeah.
The thing is, she still vomits.
So then you might go back to any formula.
Yeah.
Because that's the problem with the reflux formulas, it's one size fits all.
Yeah.
So then you might go back to your Aptamil Gold. She's a hardcore chucker. I suspect, yeah, it's uncomplicated reflux. Up to 85-90% of all babies will do it. And she's got uncomplicated reflux because looking at her, she's growing well, she's not irritable, she's not burning, she's not aspirating.
Yeah.
So tick, 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 it's not a problem till she grows out of it. And at 4 months, she's still in that age where she's got the open sphincter.
Yeah.
So you potentially just wouldn't do anything
Yeah.
about it.
No, I'm
so
happy
it's probably
not to
not
do
worth
anything.
your effort.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If she became irritable, then you'd let me know and we'd start on reflux medicine.
Look at Indy, guys. Parang wala lang nangyari. Ang dami niyang turok today, guys. 4 na turok, tas meron siyang oral vaccine. Ay, akong baby. Uy, kawawa siya kanina. Kasi tulog na siya. Tapos nagising siya because of the injection. Kawawang bata. And pwede na siya mag-solids, guys. So, nandito ako sa baby section. Tingnan natin kung anong mapapakain natin dito sa batang to. I also need to get her formula. So, we usually stock up on formula. But because hindi ko nga alam kung anong i-recommend ng doctor namin today, so hindi muna ako bumili. But paubos na yung formula niya. Nasaan na yung Aptamil Gold? But yeah, explain ko sa inyo mamaya. We're sticking to her usual formula, which I can't find. Asa na yun, baba? Wala sila dito? Wala silang Aptamil Gold dito. That's alright. Let's look for... Ayun. Let's try baby rice for you, my love. What do you want?
Baby, I'm afraid that one day you'll forget me without even thinking if you'll miss me.
We do need swimming nappies for Arlo. Medium. Wala na kaming swimming nappy. And I think this week, magsiswimming kami kina Nana, guys, kasi ang init ng panahon. They have reusable swim nappy. Let's see.
Lying in your bed thinking that I was the one to love, to give me all of your love, 'cause maybe that's all I need. Remember me if you feel like no one can see.
Yung hindi mo naman kailangan tong mga to, pero tingnan mo yung presyo. 80 cents. Ito 90 cents, oh. Oh my gosh, guys. This girl is such a champ. Naka-shopping pa ako. Kailangan ko din kasi mag-stay doon ng 15 minutes. Just in case may reaction sa vaccine. But I'm here.
Who you are, I really loved it. I'll be there everywhere you need. I'm sorry. Remember me. You can remember me. Please don't.
Alright guys, we're done. Tawagan lang natin si Nana. Indy has uncomplicated reflux. So may diagnosis na talaga siya, guys. Sabi niya, it's up to you. Pwede mong itry yung thickener ng Aptamil mismo or just leave it. She's happy anyway. Yung growth chart niya is just perfect. Lahat pataas. So her head circumference, weight, height, they're all going up and perfect. Alright, I'm here now. I'm gonna pick up Arlo boy. We will go home, have lunch, and it's gonna be a happy life.
Mommy has to.
Where's your oh no, sit down. Where's your dinosaur?
When you wait.
Did
Yeah, wait until you get your
his dinosaur?
dinosaur. Is your snake? Here, I'll put it here. Like last time, okay? Okay. Okay. And your car, that was yours.
Oh, what do you say, Nana?
That was the car that we bought before.
Did you enjoy your time with Nana?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. And say thank you to Nana and give her a big blow kiss, okay? Thank you, Nana.
See that? And you got your chicken nuggets, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. See you, love.
See you
this
later.
afternoon.
Yeah.
Come in.
Thank you, my
Yeah.
snack.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. And I'll bring 2 snacks for this afternoon.
What?
Okay? I promise you. Okay?
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, Nana.
I worked out well, didn't I?
Yeah, he's really happy.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
So, Pete went somewhere?
Yeah, he goes for coffee.
Oh, yeah, that's
Have a
every
tea.
Wednesdays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did like what we used to do with the boys, when the boys on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Stay here with the boys, and then when I get here at 10, he goes.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Works out great. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Do you love your Nana so much? Yeah. She's a lovely Nana, isn't she, Meg? She loves us so much. Isn't she? Bye, Nana. She's already in, Meg.
Bye, Nana.
So grateful for Nana and Papi. Yeah, and aunties and uncles. Hey, hello, my love. Tignan nyo naman to, oh. Sus, apakasaya. Yung kuya niya yung hindi. Asa na yun? It's here, it's here. One last bit and I'll give you this. You have to finish your lunch, I said. Oh, there you are. See? That's okay. Take your time. Take your time. I'm all open. Good boy. See? Mommy's opening it. I told you I'll give it to you once you finish. Almost done. Good boy. Almost finished. There you go. Nakita niyo yung roll-up. Bumili kasi ako maraming roll-up kasi naka-half price. Nakita niyo sa bag. And inopen niya yung box. Itong batang talaga. She was really good sa oral vaccine kanina. Tulog kasi siya nga. Here you go. Medicine. Dum-dum. Dum-dum. Dum-dum.
What TV, Mama?
Okay, okay. I'll turn it on. Just 1 second.
Papa eating, Mama.
Yeah, I know. I'm giving Indy medicine. She needs it. I know, baby. I'm sorry. Here you go. You did it. You did it again. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
Oh, TV, Mama.
Alright. And then 6 hours after. What time is it, Alo?
Christmas.
Christmas? What time is it?
Christmas.
Where's Mommy's phone? Bumili ako ng takeaway. Antayin mo. Parang ang sarap ng mukos, hindi ka. Huh? You're such a good lang. My good lang, beautiful. Is that good? That's medicine. Nawala yung smile niya ay sa medicine ay. Bait ng bibi ko ay. Susambot na lang yun ni mo, be. So nagpunta ako guys ng Drake's kanina. After ng immunization ni Indy. Kasi kailangan mo magstay doon ng 15 minutes. After ng immunization, just in case may reaction. So, nandun na lang din naman ako, nag-grocery shopping na ako guys. Bumili ako ng maraming roll-up, tigdalawang boxes ng iba-ibang flavors. So, marami to. I also got this chicken, parang ang sarap niya. Southern chicken rib. I-air fry lang daw siya or i-oven eh. I got pepper white ground. Bumili ako meatballs. Pero yung paggagamitan ko nito is burger steak. So, ipa-flat ko lang siya para yan yung burger steak ko. Tapos, gagawa ako ng sauce na may mushroom. I got the olive oil because it was 30% off. Ito yung kinuha ko for Indy. Pwede na siya for 4 months. I got flour. Ito yung mushroom na gagamitan ko for the burger steak sauce. And then, I got disposable swim nappy. So, ito, nakita ko siya after ko to kinuha. So, this is from Huggies na brand. And maganda yung Huggies na brand. This is yours. Yeah, that's yours, okay?
Yep.
And then, nakita ko to guys sa, yung sa naka-clearance kanina. $11 na lang siya. Tapos, pwede siya kay Indy. You wanna wear it? It's swimming nappies. So, pwede siya pang kay Indy. Marami siyang mga snap dyan to adjust it to be smaller. It's from the brand Pandas. And yan, naka-clearance sale siya. Ay! Ayan. Magkano to? Na 90 cents ba yun? And bocconcini for the salad. Nag-grocery na actually si Dan kahapon, guys. Pero hindi siya nakabili ng bocconcini kasi yung pinuntahan niya walang bocconcini na cheese para sa aming salad. So I got those. And then, ito. Alright. Look at our ate, guys. Sumuka si Indy, ang dami. Nagpo din siya. So pinalitan ko si Indy. Tapos sabi ko, pagbalik ko, saka ko iwa-wipe. Kasi hindi ko mababa tong isa. May dala-dala na akong rag, oh. Pero naglilinis siya. My love. Thank you, ate. There's more. Thank you, Bob. Ang dami nun, guys. There's more there, Ayla. See? Ang dami, ate, no? Thank you, ate. Huh? No, I was gonna clean up, but I had to change her first. Because she pooed. I actually didn't expect you to do it, but you did it, so thank you so much. I didn't even ask you. Thank you, ate. I appreciate it so much. You're such a good ate. Thank you, Baba. She's such a good ate. Careful, careful. Hello, my beautiful baby Lang Lang. Hello. Yes? Can I prepare the salad? Yeah, Mommy can prepare the salad? Yes? Thank you, baby. Oh, look at you. Thank you. Mommy will talk to you, okay? Yes? Mommy will talk to you so you stay happy? Yes? Good girl. Are you a good Lang Lang? You're a good Lang Lang, aren't you, my love? Dinner tonight is something easy lang. Magsalad lang ako, guys. Yung salad na lagi kong ginagawa. And then, lamb chops.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Dinner namin ni Daddy. Nilagyan ko lang ng eggs yung lamb chops niya. And now we will pour gravy. Nilalagay ko sa gilid yung gravy ko. Ayan. And then our salad. Tapos yung dalawa kumakain ng chicken. Nag-request ng chicken. So yung binili ko kanina sa Drake's, yun yung niluto ko, guys. And they like it. Hello. Buyag ba yan mo, Bioy? Kabuyag ba yan akong baby, oy? Ay, sorry. Kuya and ate, they're in the shower. Nasa shower ang kuya at saka ate natin. Ang babait ng ating kuya at ate, no? Ang babait na, pati ikaw, no? Look at you, malang. Look how happy you are. Hindi ako makajump sa shower kasi nagising siya. Usually kasi pinapatulog ko siya tapos nag-shower kami kasi tulog siya. Ngayon, nagising man siya. And that's okay. Yay. Okay lang kahit late si mama maka-shower. Yeah, you're not feeling right, are you? Binigyan ko na siya Panadol kasi she's due for another Panadol. So look at you, beautiful heel. I know. Sus, look at you. Ikaw na talaga ang tinurukan ng apat. Oh, super happy pa din. I know. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, hindi na kami bibili ng reflux formula. Pero si Dan bumili ng Aptamil Gold na reflux. Kasi meron. Yung na-try kasi namin na reflux formula is yung Novalac. yung nagamit ko sa 2 kids. Tapos I was just looking up on the internet and merong Aptamil Gold na pang reflux. So i-try namin yun kasi wala namang mawawala na. And we'll see if that works. If it doesn't work, then that's okay. Hindi na natin ipipilit, no? Because happy naman ikaw, no? Yes, ligay lang lang. Tinatry ko din mag-edit. Hindi ako naka-edit ng... Ay, sorry. Okay. Ayaw umupo. Okay, ayaw umupo. Okay, ayaw lang umupo. It's okay. Hindi ako naka-edit ng thumbnail kanina. Thumbnail lang yung kailangan eh. Kasi, naging IT ako ng daddy namin. So, tinulungan ko si daddy kanina. May kailangan siyang gawin. I'm gonna swaddle you. So, asawa, IT, PA. Dami nating job description, guys, sa bahay na to. And guys, alam nyo ba itong lashes ko? Tuesday na tayo ngayon. Ito pa yung nilagay ko nung Thursday. Ngayon yung pinakamatagal siyang nag-last. And gusto ko na siyang tanggalin ngayon para makahinga naman yung lashes ko. Pero kung hindi ko siya tatanggalin, hindi yan matatanggal. Ito yun, oh. I-try kong i-link sa baba. Kasi sa Amazon yan eh. Baka mahirapan kayong hanapin. Sa mga interesado lang naman. And Amazon AU siya, ha. Hindi siya sa US. Iba kasi yung US na Amazon. I-leave ko yung link sa baba. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 6 days na ngayon, ha. Pa 1 week na siya. And again, kung hindi ko siya tatanggalin, nandyan lang siya. Anyway, I'll just put Indy down para makajump ako sa shower. Yun na yung vlog natin. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, be good.